Hello, welcome back. Today, the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you. And in today's odds, we have the 2 sure odds, the 5 sure odds, and the 10 plus sure odds, of which you can try your luck on. And these matches cut across the Europa League, the Conference League, some of the Spanish Copa del Rey matches for the women, and Saudi Pro Leagues, of which you can all try your luck on so as to know how these odds are going to bless us for today. And if you are looking for a way to get some sure odds to just stake and win from it, this channel is the right channel for you, as you can get your sure odds from the hacked app and also predictions from the hacked app that you can just get right on this channel. So if you are a first timer visiting this channel, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get into the app to get the sure 2 odds, the 5 odds, and a whooping 10 plus odds from the hacked app. With the 2 plus odds, we have PAOK versus FCSB, and the prediction is under 3.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.3. The second under the 2 plus odds is FC Porto versus AS Roma, and this prediction too is under 3.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.3. And the last prediction under the 2 odds is Mode versus Shamrock Rovers. This is the Conference League match, okay, and the prediction is over 1.5 goals in the full match, which is given an odd of 1.3. So the first two, that is the PAOK and the FC Porto, they are both under 3.5 goals from the Europa League, and the last one, which is the Mode versus Shamrock, is under the Conference League, okay. So these are the 2 plus odds, and let's go to the 10 plus odds. With the 10 plus odds, we have Fenerbahce versus Anderlecht, and it is Fenerbahce over 1.5 goals, which is giving an odd of 1.55, okay. That is Fenerbahce to score 2 plus goals, okay. The second prediction is under Copa del Rey for the women, Spanish Copa del Rey, and it is Real Madrid women versus Real Sociedad women, and it is straight win for Real Madrid, which is giving an odd of 1.32. The next prediction under the 10 plus odds is AZ Alkmaar versus Galatasaray, and it is over 1.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.2. The next under the 10 plus odds is PAOK versus FCSB Cluj, which is under 3.5 goals in the full match, giving an odd of 1.3. We also have FC20 versus Bodø/Glimt, and it is both teams to score. Goal, that is both teams to score, and it is given an odd of 1.45, okay. And we also have El Ahly versus Al Nassr. This is the Saudi Pro League, and it is El Ahly versus Al Nassr, and it is both teams to score. That is goal, yes, and it's given an odd of 1.52 odds. And the last prediction under the 10 plus odds is FC Porto versus AS Roma, and they tipped AS Roma over 0.5 goals, okay. So actually, these are the odds from the hacked app that you can try your luck on. As I always say, these are predictions from the hacked app, so if you really want to try it, just try with the amount that you can afford to lose, because these games sometimes we win and sometimes we lose, okay. And I'm not a financial advisor, just a YouTuber, but I'm showing you how I make money online through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Make sure you do your own research before you stake, and also after today's games, if you win, just come to the comment section and comment congratulations to myself, so as to just motivate us to just do more for you guys on this channel. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.